welcome back to Kentucky Petrolhead, and today's episode is about revenge on this guy.
Okay, 25 miles. Whoa! Oh goodness! Oh goodness, James!
About 15 years ago, my evil twin here, who whenever we have an idea and I say that's not a good idea, he says we're doing it. Pulls up to me and says, hey, come here, I want to show you something at church camp where we were counselors, and he puts me in a John Deere Gator at night when all the kids were bed and took us bombing through the woods while turning the lights off and scaring the death out of me.
I knew the trail.
Today it's my turn in the Mini, so here we go. You ready?
I'm ready. I've
Let's
got my OSH right here.
Yep, yep. That was what? Was it 15 years ago? It's been a long time. That's before I had kids.
It was 15 years ago. Back before I had a wife or kids.
Right? She'll go around the corners.
A wife and 4 kids will make you look at corners a lot different.
I don't know this corner that well. We'll slow down a little bit. I can't turn the lights off. We're not doing this at night because we'll hit a deer.
Definitely do not turn the lights off. Okay, 25 miles. Whoa! Oh goodness! Oh goodness, James! My wife will not be watching this YouTube video.
We didn't even have it sliding.
Woo, what's that?
We didn't even have it sliding.
Wow.
She sticks to the ground.
Wow. Rice comes in from the right.
This thing is so easy to drive fast.
When you hit these corners, my body is used to driving a Honda Odyssey minivan. And so I'm thinking to
Your
myself,
entrance
there's
speed.
no way we're making this turn. There's no way on earth that we are going to make this.
Yeah, I think your entrance speed in a Honda Odyssey is a little different than a Mini Cooper with upgrades.
I feel like I'm in the Italian Job.
Yeah, yeah.
My father-in-law would appreciate you because I'm constantly making him grab the OSH up here. There's Rice Pike. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This goes back out to 42.
Okay. She'll stop too. We got EBC yellow stuff pads and some Zimmerman rotors. I think we'll need some like high quality brake fluid here for the upcoming Tail of the Dragon trip.
Oh, are you going down there?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah, I went a couple years ago with some buddies and 3 911s and an MX-5. This year we got, I think, the same 3 guys in 911s. We got one guy going in a new, I think it's a C8. Yeah, it's a C8 Corvette, and maybe a couple more Miatas. So we'll be doing that in the fall.
They're clocking people like way more than in the past down there.
Yeah, well, you've had multiple deaths. They have ambulance runs most weekends, usually motorcyclists.
Right.
They overcook a corner. Not too long ago, there was a guy upside down in a Ferrari convertible. I don't know how he did that. He must have really been
being crazy.
Yeah, but They're
This is
trying-
what I miss in Florida, man. This
the
right here.
hills. Yeah, yeah.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more petrol-powered content from the great state of Kentucky.